believe how big this house is?
Real estate is a big money business for realtors, banks, mortgage people. So how do you decide who's going to have your best interest in mind? I'm Kelly with Pro Home Buying, and I help people understand and improve their finances before they buy a house, and I want to help you decide who you can trust. Now, a long time ago, I knew a mortgage person who was the epitome of sketchy sales guy. He was your best friend and would promise you the world, but the problem was he was far from delivering it, and oftentimes ended up doing the opposite. He ended up putting his friends, or so-called friends, people he actually said that he cared about, into subprime loans without needing to be. So a subprime loan is a loan for people who don't qualify for typical mortgages. So their rates are higher, the loan terms are shorter, and much higher fees. So he put his so-called friends into these awful loans that cost so much more just because he wanted to make more money. And I ended up trying to help a lot of his clients later on, but I couldn't always help them out because of the mess that he had put them in. Now, it would have been completely different and if they actually would have shopped around lenders. Now, this is a total horror story, and there are a lot of really great mortgage people and realtors out there that really want to help you. The key is finding them. So first, let's talk about what a real estate agent does. So they're going to go around and help you through the home buying process with showing you properties, handling negotiations, contracts, giving you good advice if it's a good investment, and more. And the mortgage person is basically, could be a bank, local bank, a U.S. bank, a mortgage broker, anybody like that. They're going to help you get a loan for your new home, and they'll be looking at your finances and determining if you can get a loan, what your best loan programs are, and what the loan programs best for you are. You can ask your local bank, which may offer a more personalized service and some programs for first-time home buyers, but sometimes their loan programs are more limited and sometimes can be more lenient because it's a smaller organization. A large nationwide bank may be a little less lenient for down payments and credit scores for loan programs, but they might have a lot of first-time home buyer programs to convince you to keep all your money with them. Plus, it could be convenient to have all your banking in the same place. You can also get a loan through the mortgage broker who has access to shop your loan to many different banks. Since they're not just tied to one program, they can shop your loan out to many different loan programs based on your specific situation. And they a lot of times can even get you a lower interest rate. The fees might be higher for this one, but you're also paying for a little bit more experience. So my formula is basically more like a checklist for finding the best person to trust. So start with talking to everybody you know, ask their recommendations for real estate agents and mortgage people, read reviews, and make a shorter list. Call them up, interview them. Things like, what resources do you have available to first-time home buyers? What kind of loan programs are there that are good for me? And get a good faith estimate from the mortgage person. It's a sheet of paper that will help you compare the interest rate, closing costs super quickly and easily, but don't let them pull your credit. That'll be later. So if they have a lot of resources and knowledge, I would say that's a good person to keep on your list. If they don't have answers, or even worse, don't seem to be listening to you, cut them off your list totally. You need somebody who's going to be your champion. They need to be answering your questions and returning your calls in a super timely manner. Make sure that you feel compatible with them and you feel comfortable with them. Once you found someone who you like, now it's time to get pre-approved, not pre-qualified. Pre-approved means that they're going to pull your credit. They do a thorough look at your income history, W-2s, pay stubs, look at what you have in the bank, and they'll give you a determination of how much you can purchase a home for. So please shop around. It could really help you in the long run. Make sure you're being listened to and your questions are being answered, and it could save you a lot of money in the long run. Well, that's all I got for today. I truly hope this has helped you. If you want more info, I just started a brand new group where I post resources and answer all of your questions. I posted the link below in the comment section. If you'd like it, please feel free to share it, comment below. I'll be back with more soon, and have an awesome rest of your day.